Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Topical Talks for a new tutorial video. And in this video, we will learn how to change footstep sound in ROBLOX Studio. So firstly, we have to open the ROBLOX Studio and after head to My Games. Now we'll have to choose the game that we want to switch the footstep sounds in. So I'll just select this game. Now let the game load properly. So after the game loads, firstly all we have to do is click on the play button to get into the game. Now we are in the game. So after that, we have to click on the starter player section. Then open the starter player script. From here, we'll have to copy the RBX character sounds. Then click on stop. Now let's navigate to the starter player again, and in the starter player script we have to paste into. So now the file we copied has been pasted into the starter player script. Now we can edit the file. So firstly, from here we'll have to find the running sound. So at the line 39 you will find the running sound file section. So all we have to do is we have to change it to whatever we prefer. As an example, I'll go to the toolbox section. In here I'll type footstep. Now many footstep sounds have appeared in here. I'll just take this one. Now let's click on the play button in here. So this is the sound. Now let's click on the magnifying button. Now click on the three dots and then copy asset ID. After that, head to the RBX sounds section, and in the running tab we'll have to replace this total section with the code we just copied. So paste. And in here add ID in front of the asset. So after that you can click on the play button. And you'll see the sound has been changed. Thank you again for watching the video. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next video.